Okay, we just arrived Miranjani top. There you can see the pole. Right there, we're using the Galyat from Nathia Gali by the track. But believe me, if you will come here, you're not going to find a track. You're not going to find a track here. Yes, it will be just a trap. And you will be in a big mess. But beauty, yes, beauty you can find here because now it's the highest amount of snow here. I mean, no more than snow you will find here. We didn't want to come, but we said let's go. Let's see if we can make it or not. But we will not use the same path. We will not choose this path because it's so slippery and so dangerous. Our vehicle is down there, but we will use I think another side. I don't know, but we will try to find out from the other side. But look at the beauty. Just look at the beauty. He's my friend. We were just two. We came here.